Supervolcanoes are some of the most destructive natural events on the planet, and some experts say they could be world enders. But according to a new study, even minor eruptions could cause a domino effect of problems for mankind that could spread absolute chaos across the globe. The researchers from the University of Cambridge say that when looking at catastrophic volcano scenarios, most experts look exclusively at supervolcanoes, when in actuality, it's far more likely that a smaller volcano and its seismic activity and ash could disrupt things like global supply chains, transportation hubs like the Icelandic eruption in 2010 that grounded 100,000 flights, or they could even shut down trade networks, which is why the researchers have now built what's called the Volcanic Explosivity Index Global Catastrophic Risk Asymmetry Model. It has a scale that reveals how a volcano's power doesn't necessarily coincide with its danger to people and the global economy. And a big reason is because of how close to minor volcano spots mankind has chosen to build much of its infrastructure. Here's what the paper had to say about it. These regions of intersection or pinch points present localities where we have prioritized efficiency over resilience and manufactured a new global catastrophic risk landscape, meaning all over the world, whether it's shipping routes, underwater telecommunication cables, or microchip processor manufacturing facilities, humanity has tempted fate, building its infrastructure too close to these destructive areas.